I'm Edmund Tse, Assistant Dean of Science for Outreach. I would like to take you on a brief tour of what makes our faculty special and the unique opportunities we offer. Our science curriculum covers a broad spectrum of undergraduate programs. This includes 3 core offerings, plus a number of affiliated and joint programs, providing our students access to an expansive range of learning opportunities and specialized expertise. These programs prepare you for diverse careers, putting you on the frontiers of science and technology. Students can choose from 11 science majors and 7 intensive majors through the 6901 Bachelor of Science program, from physical sciences to natural sciences. During the first 2 years, students have the flexibility to explore different majors before committing, helping them find the best fit for their interests and goals. In addition to their primary major, students can pursue a second major, a minor, or even 2 minors across both science and non-science disciplines. Our unique minor in science entrepreneurship empowers students to blend scientific expertise with entrepreneurial skills to build real business ventures. Many of the majors in our 6901 program are accredited by renowned international and local organizations, gaining additional recognition for skills and experiences acquired. Moreover, we offer 2 articulation pathways to widely recognized postgraduate programs, ensuring our students have seamless transitions to further their studies. One of our key strengths is our commitment to research. Our 6688 Science Masterclass is a fast-track double degree program, allowing research aspiring students to earn both a Bachelor of Science and Master of Research from Hong Kong U. This program immerses students in an authentic lab environment, mentored by our renowned Grandmasters and Masters, helping them achieve their full potential and develop into dynamic scientists who can translate discoveries into real-world impact. A special Young Scientist scheme provides early research opportunities for selected students in the programs above, which guarantees students various resources and opportunities, such as the chance to go on international exchange, visiting or summer studies at top universities worldwide. The demand for patent and technology transfer professionals is soaring as Hong Kong consolidates its position as a leading innovation hub in Asia. Responding to this, the Faculty of Science and the Faculty of Law have co-launched the BSc and LLB double degree program, the first of its kind in Hong Kong, catering to students seeking expertise in both law and science. This program can open up a wealth of professional opportunities in this rapidly evolving world, enabling students to assume significant roles in innovation and even policy making. Our science programs prepare students not just for the classroom, but for the world beyond. In addition to academic flexibility, we prioritize hands-on real-world learning. We offer experiential learning experiences in the form of cross-cultural exchanges, overseas field camps, international forums, internships, or overseas research projects. By blending rigorous academic activities with diverse global experiences, we empower students to thrive in an interconnected world. Our high-achieving BSc students can also pursue postgraduate degrees to further their academic and professional growth. We offer a range of top postgraduate programs that are disciplinary, professional, and practical in their respective fields. Our research postgraduate programs provide collaboration opportunities with leading scholars on forward-looking projects, fostering innovation and scientific advancements. The breadth and depth of our academic programs equip students to excel as they embark on exciting and rewarding paths in science. Thank you for considering the Faculty of Science for your academic journey. We look forward to welcoming you and supporting your growth as a scholar and global citizen.